What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This your boy Jay Reed for Jay Reed's Love of Cars. What are we doing today? Let me show you what we're doing today. First of all, we're gonna holler at my puppy, if you want to call him a puppy. Oh Lord, he ready to play soccer. This has nothing to do with what this video is about, but I might better play soccer with him before he whoops my ass. So for some strange reason, he liked to play soccer. Man, he quick. He'll put it down. Do y'all ever had a dog that like to play soccer? Watch this. Goodness gracious, I hope he ain't stepping in no shit over there, because I need to clean it up. Bring it here, then stay over there. Anyway, back to your regularly scheduled program. Oh Lord, here he comes. I don't know if I ever told you or not, but I have like 3 4-wheelers. Bought 2 for my kids when they were younger, like 2010. Chinese 4-wheelers, TaoTao. Some of the first videos I made for YouTube were these videos. Good. Fast forward, them hoes ain't running, and I got the urge to fix them. But first we're gonna start out with mine, and I'm thinking about I'm gonna put it on the channel. I don't know if you can see in here, but this is one of them. So whatever I do, it's going to be a lot of work. We're gonna have to clean out all of this, pull these bad boys out, and see what can be done. Something telling me, get back. Get back. Something telling me it's going to be more work than I anticipate, because just looking at this one, I see a lot of rust. The last time I rode it, I didn't even bother putting it up clean. So this got like 10 years of dirt on it, rats here. But looking at the parts for these, they are actually rather easy or inexpensive to get running. In fact, if I wanted to take the easy route, I could literally go on eBay, buy an engine for $200, buy a new gas tank for $20, and have it up and running. But that's too easy. That is far too easy. So we got to make it difficult. What I am thinking about doing is figuring out exactly what's wrong and then just replacing those parts. But then I had this idea of putting in a bigger engine, a better engine, stretching the ass of it out, and see if I can make it fast. Now granted, at the end of the day, we all know that the metal on this thing is next to nothing. Ain't that right, Blue? Absolutely next to nothing. So that may not be a good idea, but we're gonna pull this out. Not today, that's for sure, because it look like it's gonna rain. This is definitely gonna be a project. I may do it this weekend, and the other 2 are way up on the other side. That's why I never have to worry about nobody stealing them, because good luck trying to get to them. Is that the seat? Oh, they're gonna be horrible. So long story short, the first thing that I'll have to do is pull it out to even make sure that it's something I can do or want to do. But it should be fun. And I plan on, I guess it's related to Jay Reed's love of cars, but I plan on documenting that process as well. We'll start out with mine, since it's the bigger ones. The other ones are the little small kid ones. And we're gonna go from there. Y'all let me know if you think that's something that I should do. Holla at your boy. Peace.